We're moving you forward on the new COVID booster shots, which are now available after the CDC signed off on FDA approval earlier this week. Today in the Bay's Bob Redell joins us live outside a Pleasanton CVS. And Bob, I understand they're going to already be open to appointments?
Correct. Walgreens, CVS, your major pharmacies. Good morning to you, Laura. I did check online with CVS, for example, and they have plenty of appointments this morning at this location in Pleasanton. Just, again, another example of appointments available for this new COVID booster shot. We know some doctors' offices and hospitals also have begun to schedule appointments. The federal government is recommending that everyone over the age of 6 months receive this updated COVID vaccine, preferably before the end of October. You can schedule this shot along with your flu shot if you'd like. The shots are coming at a time when we've begun to see an uptick in cases and hospitalizations, but fortunately nowhere near the level that we've seen in previous seasons. This is the first year we'll have 3 vaccines available for the typical winter viruses, namely shots for COVID, flu, and RSV.
We also are in a different place with respect to all 3 of those viruses. This will be the very first respiratory virus season that we will have vaccines against all 3 of those diseases. Maybe not for every single age group, but for many Americans. This will be the first season where we'll have a vaccine for COVID, RSV, and flu. That's important because up until now, the notion had been that COVID controlled our lives. This is the year that the tables can turn.
The first person to ever receive the COVID-19 vaccine in the United States back in 2020 made history again yesterday by becoming the first person to receive this new and most recent Pfizer vaccine. This is the 6th shot for nurse Sandra Lindsay, who works at Northwell Hospital in New York, and despite being on the front lines during the pandemic, says she has never caught COVID. Reporting live here in Pleasanton, Bob Redell, Today in the Bay.